What's up, everyone? Mark Anthony back today, and we are going to talk about Apecoin, a regular featured token on this channel. We cover it daily. It's a token that I'm very bullish on. I accumulate on the regular, and just want to give you guys an up-to-date idea of what's going on. We are seeing some whale activity, moving this token higher. We are having a very good day on the chart, and there is some bullish outlook long-term, as I've said in the past. But if you haven't done so, like this channel, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, means the world, and let's get down to it. So let's look at the chart right now. We have on CoinMarketCap, we are seeing a price point of $12.84. That's up about 15%, roughly. Last time I looked, it was at that 15% mark, eclipsing almost $13 on the day. So up a lot since this level of $11.29 that we saw back on the 18th. It's pretty good price movement. This chart is very consolidated and the token is trading sideways in a way that if you are a grid trader or you do have a daily swing trade and back and forth and you like to be active in trading Apecoin, it's a very, very nice chart to do so if you reduce the scale of your grids. However, in the way I am treating this token is a long-term holding, and in doing so, I am dollar cost averaging on the way up. The resistance at that $15 threshold has not been flirted with or eclipsed in April thus far. However, there is a really nice support floor at $10. So be it a psychological stigma to this chart or however you want to approach it, it seems that these levels have been very stable, and with the amount of daily volume and liquidity involved in this token, this is a very stable trade that we have been seeing nice consolidation on. So nothing that I'm too scared on the day-to-day, as you should be either. But this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, as always, when anything financial is involved. So let's get down to the consolidation topic, where I was talking about the market cap being about $3.4 billion, all right? So why this is important. So as of now, there's just 28% of the current token circulation being utilized. So once you reach that full liquidity, okay, with Apecoin, this token could be worth above $12 billion, all right? So you can do the math based on that scale of 28% to 100%, if you want to look at it as a touch under 25%, touch over 25% utilized of the market cap. That's an easy way to calculate the potential that we could be seeing long term from Apecoin. So definitely something that long term I'm looking at a 3 to 4x hold in my own personal strategy, and this is something where you can see this consolidation and the support around that $10 to $15 window. Since this token has stabilized after launch back in the 21st of March, around that date range when everybody kind of took their profits, being whether the NFT holders or whatever that release was of that high price that we saw the sell-off on the launch day. This stabilized right at that $10 threshold, and we have seen active trading with that $10 to $14 range. So it's definitely something that I'm looking to see this $15 threshold being tested at in the next coming days. And I would not be shocked if this goes on a bullish run. So let's get into the whale activity, right? So as I mentioned earlier, the forecast is up from 3.6 to 3.9%, okay? So this is since March 28th, and this uptick in holdings that the whales have been accumulating has been seen from the recent dip that the cryptocurrency market as a whole has been experiencing. So it is important to note these Apecoin whales, right? So every token has its own whales if it's successful or hoping to be successful. So with Apecoin, these whales accumulated 100,000 to 1 million Apecoins. So that is basically that volume that you would have to be holding in your bag to be considered a quote-unquote whale. But math aside, interested to see where Apecoin is heading in the next coming days and weeks. So hopefully we can bust through that $15 hurdle. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say. Please leave your comments down below. Subscribe to this channel, and if you haven't done so, like this video already. This is Mark Anthony with Not Your Father's Crypto, and we'll see you on the next one.